Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial I am gonna show you how you can download all files from Google Drive at once. Once you have opened your Google Drive, and then on the top right corner here you can see your icon, user icon. Just click on that, and then here you can see manage your Google account. Just click on this. Now on the top bar here search for download and click on this. So now you can see all products selected. So we don't need to download all of the product. So we are going to download only Google Drive data. So for that, just deselect all and then scroll down. And here you can see Drive. Just select this and go to scroll. Now click on next step. Now you can select your destination from here. Then download link by email. You can choose a drive, you can choose Dropbox, you can choose OneDrive. So we are going to choose email. This is very easy. So and here you can see frequency, export once and export every 2 months. So we are going to choose this export once, and then here you can select your file format, file type. Just you can select from this. So we are going to use zip.zip, it's best. And file size, let's select this 10 GB. Now let's click on create. So our export is progressing and it takes couple of days. After complete, you will receive an email. So this is how you can download all files from Google Drive at once. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.